Looking to protect your GMC Sierra 1500's truck bed while adding sleek style and extra security? We've got you covered. Literally, in this video, we're counting down the best tonneau covers that combine durability, weather resistance, and easy installation. Stick around to find the perfect fit for your Sierra. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the YITAMOTOR soft roll-up tonneau cover, a perfect blend of affordability, durability, and style for your 2019 to 2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This cover is designed to stay secure, thanks to its latch lock and adjustable tension system, keeping everything tightly sealed while driving. Plus, the sturdy clamps and buckles make sure it won't slide or blow off, even at highway speeds. Built with double-layer PVC on top and a solid alloy frame, this tonneau cover is tough, tear-resistant, and weatherproof. Whether it's rain, heat, or snow, your truck bed stays protected. And the best part, it's super easy to install and remove whenever you need full access. Plus, for the price, you're getting incredible quality with a sleek, stylish look. If you want reliable protection without spending a fortune, this cover is a fantastic choice. But we're just getting started. Stay tuned for even better options ahead. Coming in at number 4, we have the oEdRo Tri-Fold Tonneau cover, a perfect mix of security, convenience, and style for your 2019 to 2025 GMC Sierra with a 5.8-foot bed. This cover is super easy to install, and once locked with your tailgate, it transforms your truck bed into a fully secure trunk, keeping out snow, dust, and even prying eyes. Not only does it look great and fit like a glove, but it's also sturdy and weatherproof, ensuring your cargo stays nice and dry no matter the conditions. And the best part, for the price, you're getting an amazing deal. If you want a tough, reliable tonneau cover that locks down your gear without the premium price tag, this one is a solid choice. But we're not done yet. The top 3 picks are coming up next. Stay tuned. Taking the third spot on our list is the MaxMate soft roll-up tonneau cover, a heavy-duty, high-quality option designed for the 2019 to 2025 GMC Sierra with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. This cover is built to last, featuring 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl with a dual-coated surface for extra durability. Plus, it has built-in horizontal crossbars that provide support when closed and roll up smoothly when you need full access to your truck bed. Security, no problem. The Velcro side seals and latch lock system at the tailgate keep your tools and gear out of sight while giving your Sierra a sleek, polished look, and installation super easy. It fits like a glove, and the latch system works flawlessly for quick opening and closing. If you're looking for a well-built, easy-to-use tonneau cover that keeps your cargo secure while adding style, the MaxMate is a fantastic choice. But don't go anywhere. Our top 2 picks are coming up, and you don't want to miss them. At number 2, we've got the Gator ETX soft roll-up tonneau cover, a rugged, budget-friendly, and high-quality option for your 2019 to 2024 GMC Sierra with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. This cover is made in the USA with globally sourced materials, giving you top-notch quality at a price that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to cover your truck bed, this is a great money-saving choice. Installation, a breeze, it fits like a charm, and once installed, it's easy to roll up, making it effortless to load, unload, or carry larger cargo whenever needed. And let's talk looks. This cover feels high-end, giving your Sierra a clean, stylish finish without the premium price tag. If you want affordability, durability, and convenience all in one, the Gator ETX is hard to beat. But we're down to the best of the best. Stay tuned for our number 1 pick. And now, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Tyger Auto T3 tonneau cover, a top-tier choice for 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra owners looking for quality, durability, and unbeatable value. This US patented cover is built tough, featuring 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, aircraft-grade aluminum frames, and stainless steel clamps for a secure, long-lasting fit. Installation, so easy, you can do it alone without breaking a sweat. Once installed, it sits tight, looks fantastic, and keeps your cargo completely dry. No water leakage at all, and for the price, it's unbeatable. You're getting sturdy construction, premium materials, and a sleek design at a fraction of the cost of high-end covers. If you want the best balance of durability, performance, and value, the Tyger Auto T3 is hands down the top choice for GMC Sierra owners. That wraps up our list. Which tonneau cover is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more truck gear reviews.